In this video, I'll tell you about GeneratePress affiliate program and how much you can actually earn as an affiliate. But first, what exactly is GeneratePress? GeneratePress is a lightweight, flexible WordPress theme that's designed for speed and usability. It offers tons of customization options to enhance your website performance. So if you're a blogger, you've probably heard of GeneratePress. Now, for your convenience, I've included the link to GeneratePress if you want to check it out in the description. Later in the video, I'm going to show you exactly how much money I made promoting a different software as an affiliate with very few short videos that I posted on this channel that you're watching right now. Most of those videos didn't even get 10 views, but it made a surprising amount of money. And if you're serious about affiliate marketing, I'm going to tell you the best way that even a complete beginner can learn at the end of the video, so make sure you don't miss that part. Now let's take a look at the GeneratePress affiliate program. So I'm on their website and you can see they pay up to 30% commission on every sale that you refer. So you sign up as an affiliate. Once you get accepted, you get your affiliate link and you can start promoting it on your social media platforms. Anytime someone clicks it and they make a purchase, you can earn up to 30% of whatever they spend. So that's a lot of money. Now you do have to have at least $75 in cleared commissions before you can receive your payment. So that is a minimum, but 30% is quite a bit of money, especially when you look at their pricing plans. If someone buys the one-time payment, then you can make, almost like over $80 right away. So you can make quite a bit of money. And if they buy yearly, then you can make a smaller amount every single year. Now let me show you the other software that I was promoting and how much money I made from it. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very, very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.